So take a look at this question. We are asked to make m the subject of the relation y equals square root of m plus k over k into 1 plus km. Feel free to pause the video and try the problem out yourself. So let's get right into it. Based on our previous video, I told you that anytime you are dealing with subject formula, treat it as you are on a rescue mission. So in this situation, we are expected to make m to stand alone. But unfortunately, we have two m appear in two places, and that's going to be a little bit challenging. But don't worry. Whenever you have this problem like that, you just have to, as a soldier, you rescue one hostage at a time. So let's get right into it. So here we have y is equal to the square root of m plus k divided by k into 1 plus km. So how do we get started first? The first thing, as we discussed in our previous video, we need to get rid of this canopy. That's the square root function. Get rid of it so that we can see who we want to rescue. Now, to eliminate this first militant here, what we are going to do is to introduce the reverse operation. The reverse operation to square root is square. So I'm going to square both sides. So just square here and also square there. So when you square both sides, this square root function will be taken care of by this square. And now it's a little bit clearer. I can now see what we have: m plus k divided by k into 1 plus km. So now we have two choices, either to follow and rescue the m below or to rescue the m above first. Now, it would be cool to rescue the m above first. It's always advisable to rescue what is above first. Now, to rescue this m above first, what I'm going to do is to treat this one down together with whoever that is with it as the enemy. So I'm just going to push everything to the other side. To do that, this is a division operation. The way to push this whole thing here to the other side is to apply the reverse operation, which is multiplication. So I'm going to do that. So here's y squared multiplied by k into 1 plus km. So I've done that to this side, and on the other side, do the same thing. M plus k all over k into 1 plus km. So, and remember, you're multiplying it by k into 1 plus km. So you know what is going to happen when we do that. So this k into 1 plus km here, we'll have to eliminate this one here. So what we'll be having left is this and that. So this one, y squared times k, is the same thing as what? Y squared k. So this is in the bracket plus 1 plus km. And this is equal to m plus k. Remember, we want to rescue one thing at a time. So to make this m here to stand alone, I have to eliminate this plus k here. The reverse operation is minus k. So do that. Do it on both sides, so that what we'll be having left is, this is y squared k, open bracket 1 plus km, and minus k. And that is equal to this k plus k minus k is gone. So we have m here. Oh, nice. We have 1 m rescued. Now, how do we rescue the other m? To do that, we need to open up this bracket. So we open up this bracket up. So y squared k times 1 will give us y squared k. Multiply to the other one, we have plus y squared k squared m. This is minus what? K equals m. So our target is to get this m here, but unfortunately this m is tied to k, y squared and k squared. So just to be on the safer side, don't pull m only. So we pull everything here that is together with the operation, the term. So we pull the term containing m, and the term is y squared k squared m. So to pull that, you know the opposite operation, minus y squared k squared m. So do that on both sides, minus y squared k squared m. So the opposite, the reverse operation. So when we do that, so what do we have left? You can see that these both will disappear, and what we have left is y squared k minus k, and that is equal to, we already have m here, now meeting minus y square k square m. So we are making progress. As it stands now, our m is now on one side of the equation. So how do we now what are we going to do next? The next thing is to factor m out. If you notice, anytime an addition or subtraction operation is in between two things, we say that it does one job. It separates the two items into terms. So as you can see here, there are two terms here. The term with only m and the term with y square k square m. So when we see this, we can pull m out. When we pull m out, what is remaining? So we have here y square k minus k, and that is equal to, when you pull m out, so m is now here, we open up a bracket. Now m divide m is 1 minus m divide the m here, we have y square k square. So you can see what is happening here. Our m is almost free, but just a little thing, a little more push will make m to be free. As it stands now, m is multiplying what is in this bracket. So to make m free, we have to introduce the reverse operation of these guys, and the reverse operation is a division operation. You can see m times is multiplication. So to take it to the other side is going to be division. So when we do that, we'll have y square k minus k divided by 1 minus y square k square, and on the other side we will repeat the same thing. We have m into 1 minus y square k squared divided by 1 minus y squared k squared. So from the look of things here, m is now alone. This takes care of this. We will now have that our m is now equal to y squared k minus k all into divided by 1 minus y squared k squared. Now you can leave the bracket there. You can leave your answer like this, or you can decide to factor out the numerator. And if we factor out the numerator, we can see that k is here and k is here. So k deserves to come outside. You can open a bracket, and what is remaining is y squared minus 1. And this is divided by 1 minus y squared k squared. And that is the final answer. So whenever you are given a problem, the secret is to follow it step by step. Take the whole exercise step by step, and when you apply that, you will be able to get the solution to the problem you're dealing with. So that will be that. So I have a question for you to try out. So feel free to make k the standard formula. So replace this m here with a k, and let's see what you have. Drop the answer in the comment section. So I will see you in my next class. Bye bye.